Hello everyone, my name is Amit Avasthi and today I'm going to share some important information with you regarding COVID-19 vaccination. Vaccination is important because it helps to prevent many dreadful diseases. A good vaccine always provides adequate and prolonged protection against diseases.
Another important thing is that keep yourself away from the fake news which is being circulated on the various social media platforms. People are sharing anything and false facts without knowing whether it is true or not. So I just request you to be ignorant towards all these false messages.
If you ask me, I think it is advisable to take the complete vaccine schedule as far as COVID-19 is concerned, because we want to protect ourselves and also protect our near and dear ones.
We can see here that the director of AIIMS, Dr. Randeep Guleria, is taking the vaccine, which proves that the vaccine is completely safe. So please take it. So now I'm going to tell you about how to register online for the COVID-19 vaccination. First, open your Google Chrome or any web browser which you are having and search cowin.gov.in. You can see the register or sign in yourself option. You'll just click on this option, enter your own mobile number. You will then get an OTP and you shall enter that OTP. After entering, click on verify and proceed. You can register yourself by clicking on this register member option, and also you can register 4 of your family members. Now you have to fill all your necessary details correctly and then just proceed by clicking on register. Now let's talk with few people who have already taken the vaccine and take their views. तो आइए उनसे बात करते हैं। तो पहली डोज लगवाने के बाद आपको कैसा लगा था? क्या हमारे दर्शकों को वैक्सीन लगवानी चाहिए?
जी, सभी दर्शकों को लगवाना अति आवश्यक है, क्योंकि हमने जब पहली डोज लगवाई तो हमें ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि कोविड-19 से हमें मुक्ति मिली। भविष्य में हमें कोविड से कोई खतरा नहीं है, ऐसा हमें महसूस हुआ। तो हम अपने दर्शकों को यही कहेंगे, यही सुझाव देंगे कि कम से कम एक डोज वैक्सीन की जरूर से जरूर रखें।
चलिए हम अपनी बड़ी मम्मी से बात कराते हैं आपको, जिन्होंने वैक्सीन की दोनों डोजेस लगवा ली हैं। तो बड़ी मम्मी बताइए हमारे दर्शकों को कि आपने जब दोनों डोज लगवाए वैक्सीन के तो आपको कैसा लगा, और क्या हमारे दर्शकों को वैक्सीन लगवानी चाहिए?
हाँ, वैक्सीन जो है इसकी बिल्कुल लगवानी चाहिए। अपने परिवार की सुरक्षा के लिए, अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए वैक्सीन सभी को लगवानी चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे अपनी भी सुरक्षा होती है, परिवार की भी सुरक्षा होती है, और जो अपने देश में वैक्सीन बन रही है बहुत प्रभावशाली है, इसलिए सबको वैक्सीन लगवानी चाहिए।
Now the question arises about where to go for the COVID vaccination and what things to be carried along with. So you should go only to the registered vaccination centers assigned by the Government of India. Mainly 2 things are required at the vaccination center: your registered mobile number and your Aadhaar card. It's not that if you are vaccinated then you are safe. You still need to maintain social distancing, wash your hands regularly and wear a mask.